What's going on, guys? It's Payton Fisher, and we are out here at 2609 East Marble Drive here in Stonecliff. This is the Parade of Homes 2022 second home. It is 3,780 square feet living, 4 bed, 4 bath. It's all on 1 floor, 3-car garage. And as we come up to the front, I love these fountains right here. They're always so nice.
There's a sign, there's a door right out the pool house into the garage.
Big, heavy steel doors when you come in. So right off to the front, magnificent views out of the front. And when we turn to the left here, looks like we're coming over to the master suite. Looks like a little study here, in with the washer and dryer here. Extra sink. Now I think we're going into the master closet. Yep, master closet. Oh, I love this. So you go master closet into the master bathroom here. Big double head shower with a double rain shower up above. And then freestanding tub. Beautiful big area here. And so huge windows here. You see out to the pool. This home is $2.29 million. Now we've got here, we've got where the pool cover will just go right over top of the jacuzzi, and it's just absolutely incredible back here. Oh, fun fireplace. So we've got the kitchen island over here, and we've got a big table here for a dining room in the middle. Big beams in the ceiling. And we're gonna sneak out on the patio here. Big built-in barbecue. Oh, look at this. So this looks like this is a little casita area out here. Pull down wall bed, washer and dryer, shower. Uh-oh, I wasn't supposed to come out here first yet. We gotta go back in here. Getting too far ahead. So off this, it all looks like it all attaches. So we're gonna sneak back through here and see off to the right. So this is another big office area here. Storage closets. And then off to the right. Whoa, this is a big new trend, is all these new colorful patterns on the walls. And a shower, floor to ceiling. And we've got a nice big skylight up there. So lots of nice bright light in. Now it looks like we're going back to the master. No, this would be like a second casita. So we've got the full shower in here with the fun new drains, so they're not prevalent. There's no doors. My guess is there'll be glass doors installed on these later. Okay, we already went in there. All right, to the pantry. Oh, nice, tons of space in the pantry. Really cool hood. Just sticks out really far. That was awesome. Got a big industrial feel there. So when you're doing the dishes over here, you've got just views of the mountains, which is awesome. And then it looks like that would be a dishwasher. All right, now we're coming back through here again. Sorry, second time. Okay, so this is the second garage. So all of this attaches to the patio just so you get an idea. This is like the little casita here. This bedroom has the walkway out, and then the master all the way down there on that side has the exit all the way out also. But the views up here are truly, truly incredible. And then in here we've got, this is large enough to get your boat in here. And then we've got the single car here, or the single garage here, and then we've got another 2-car garage here. And they've got the sink out here, which is awesome. And if you're looking to get a shed built here in southern Utah, here is affordable sheds. Exit this. Now you have a really good shot of the boat garage or RV garage. That thing's huge. You could definitely park something big in there. All right, this house was an absolute joy to go through. Again, the views were excellent. It's hard to explain it unless you're here in person. So if you get a chance and you'd like to have a house with views, this would definitely be the place. And it's only $2 million, just over $2 million. That said, we're gonna go check out home 3. Go ahead, click right over here for the tour. See ya.